Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Shopify with a Kartra. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what is actually my recommendation, like in what situation I would choose Kartra, in what situation I would go with the Shopify. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, main features, plugins, etc. So let's start. Now, Kartra is an amazing tool, but it's not an e-commerce system. With Kartra, you can simply launch a builder and create a funnel system in which you're gonna like sell courses, right? And then you can create advanced automations to resell next courses or like to get the person, right? And you see here the features: checkout, leads, pages, mail, funnels, campaigns, membership videos, help desk, calendars, affiliates, even integrations, and etc. So there are plenty of stuff, but it's not an e-commerce comparing to Shopify. So there are like completely two different tools, and it's hard to really compare them when they are different, right? With the Shopify pricing, you get one disadvantage personally, that you're gonna pay additional fees using all payments providers other than Shopify payments. What does it mean is that when you're gonna let's say use PayPal or Stripe, when they are going to ask for 3%, then you have to pay also to Shopify another 2%. So this is a huge disadvantage of Shopify. But then Shopify is much cheaper comparing to Kartra. So when I'm going to pay monthly, you're gonna see the starter version for $99, but then you're gonna see the silver $200, $300, and $500, comparing to Shopify $29, $79, advanced Shopify $299. So by the way, with the silver, you're gonna have like 3 sites here that you can use with unlimited bandwidth, pages, videos, products, membership types, etc. So, and Kartra agency. So you can even like create it for clients, etc. So as you can see, Shopify is okay with the pricing with the basic Shopify plan. Kartra got 14-day free trial that you can try if you want to. And Shopify got a huge disadvantage of additional fees. Kartra doesn't have it. So always keep in mind that even when you want to use Shopify as Kartra, you can lose money on additional fees. So yes, you're gonna pay, I don't know, $79, but if you would pay here $200, you're gonna like save those 2% on every single order that you're gonna have. Now to go further about themes, they both have some. With Kartra, you can simply come here to my pages, and you're gonna like on Shopify, you're gonna have plenty of themes that you can choose from Streamline, Express Warehouse, Broadcast Avenue. Plenty of them are paid, also for free that you can choose. And it's like this one is for the one product only. So on Kartra, you come here, you simply, let's click new site here, site name, click add. Okay. So this is how you do it, done. And then I can simply click here and edit. And then what you can do, you can change the category and everything. Then you're gonna select my forms here. And like editing everything in Kartra is quite simple, right? There is nothing like you can be worried about on how to use it. Now on the other hand, on Shopify, it's also quite simple. Come here to online store, then you just theme and just click customize, and you can simply edit the sections here as much as you want, right? So that's something you can actually do, and it's based on the section. So they're both really great, both offer integrations. Shopify got more apps, but plenty of them are paid, like free trial, and then you have to start paying. So this is something that you should like definitely keep in mind. And when you come here to Kartra, how it actually works, you come here and you add a page. So you can pick a template here that you can go like with the squeeze pages, video sales pages. This is something that I would use for my own course. Thank you pages, long sales page, product launch. So there are plenty of things that you can use it for. And you can simply like, let's go with select, then I'm going to select, and I can simply go launch builder, page name, site, this is a site, create. And let's see how it looks like. So it's going to load the page builder. And now I can edit things here. So you can see how it's going to be on tablet. You can edit the text here. I can edit everything here, literally, right? I double click and I can simply edit the element and then just like change the image here. And you can simply move it as much as you want. But the way how you can edit it is it's easier here comparing to Shopify, because you can actually edit those columns that you're gonna see, right? But what I really like is that you can actually build it just based on a template. So like that's how you actually do it. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And have a great day and goodbye. Like, to summarize this whole video, guys, they're both fine, but I would use Shopify for e-commerce, and I would definitely choose Kartra for just like the funnels that you can use for. So yeah, see ya.